We are on our way for a wonderful Sunday afternoon with our good buds. Next exit, Bob and Pearl. We're going to go over there and spend the afternoon, play some Mexican train, eat some delicious food, and have a great time. It's getting close. We're going to start heading north here pretty soon. Temperatures are in the mid-90s in Yuma. I think that means it's time to head north.
Say that again.
I said, what are you talking about? What you talking about? Oh my goodness, look at the sunshine.
It is a bright, sunshiny day. It is warm already. Then immediately turn left.
Should I go all the way or?
Yeah, go all the way that way. We had a nice stay here. It worked out nicely.
Not bad for basically $10.50 a night.
Yep.
That's not a bad little place to stay. $10.50 a night for dry camping. Once again, we have said it over and over, but you have access to water, dump station, and trash.
Turn left. And showers and bathrooms.
Bathrooms.
Yep.
You just don't have power. So if you're got a good solar setup, this is a great place to stay.
Yeah.
Again, $10.50 a night.
In 1,000 feet, sharp left.
Yeah, it'll be fun getting out of here too, huh?
It's a sharp left. I hope we don't cut ourselves.
He's so funny. Alright, we'll see how it goes. But it is a very nice option if you're going to go across the border to Mexico, because you are right here. Yes. Right here. Wow. Right there. It was quiet.
It was very quiet.
It was very quiet, and they have security that circles around a lot. So I did not feel unsafe at any point.
Nope.
Really nice people worked in the office and the convenience store. Okay. This is going to be fun to try to make a left out of here when people are heading towards the parking lot.
Sharp left.
For Los Algodones.
Doesn't seem to be much traffic at all today.
Not wait till we try to go left.
Going in.
Huh? These people missed their turn. They're like, uh-oh. Okay, let's see this way. Oh, we've got lots of cars coming.
Yep, I'll wait for them.
1, 2, 3, and then there's a gap. Oh, and of course, this one's turning in here. Oh, now there's another one coming. Truck. It's a truck after this car that just went by. Oh, now there's a car. Okay, after this car, you should be good.
Okay,
both ways.
we can do it.
Let's go. People aren't driving too fast, so if they come, we're in the middle of it, they'll slow down. There we go. Okay, on to the next stop. Tom's out here whining. Let's go see what he's whining about. What are you whining about?
I don't whine. You think I'm the Wichita lineman?
I don't whine.
I hear you whining.
In the wires?
In the wire? Whatever it is.
You're funny. Okay, I'm trying to get the tripod. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Got this new tripod thingy bobber.
I'm going to take all your crap out and just throw it out here till I find the barbecue pit.
He doesn't do it right. All you need to get is the silver table and the other tray for right now.
Look at that. I had it packed perfectly. This comes right out.
That's how I did it, actually. Here we go. We'll just watch you do all this stuff. And then I'll come set up my barbecue the right way.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah. Hang on a second. I just wanted to make sure Kaylee didn't need anything else. She comes first, you know.
Oh, don't I know?
All right, that's for bird seed. Bird seed.
Bird seed.
Oh, that's garbage. You can throw that away finally.
Let's carry out of this.
It's your fault. I mean,
Put the barbecue pit right there.
ew, get that dirty thing off me. Thanks a lot.
This is a very expensive grill cover.
Anybody recognize it?
You know what that is? It's a $7 wheel cover, and it fits perfectly on that. Okay.
Do it later.
Oops.
Hello. Grill, table, chairs.
Worker. What's the matter? Mommy say it's not time for your food yet? Did you come over here to tell on Mommy? She's not feeding you? Come here. Kaylee. Come here. Good kitty. Yes, that's a good little kitty dog. Lori's being a busybody doing something. Let's go find out what she's doing. I don't get this. I keep hearing bags and... What in the world? Why are you doing that, putting that? Why are you shaking? What are you doing?
I'm making my cereal bags.
Making cereal bags.
Yep.
You know it comes in a box.
I know, but look, it's a big old box. Where am I
Yeah.
going to store that? And this way I can add my almonds to it. I know it comes with almonds, but you don't get hardly any almonds in it. So I add my own.
How much do you put in there?
A cup. Well, this is 2 cups, so when I split it in half, it's a cup of cereal plus approximately an eighth of a cup of.
Quarter cup.
I know, but I'm splitting it in half.
Okay.
So approximately an eighth of a cup of sliced almonds. And this way they're all measured out, kind of, sort of. It's not exact, but servings. And then I keep them in these popcorn tins. That way no critters can get in if ever ants get in here or whatever.
Holy
So
moly.
those are your Cheerios. Yeah.
Oh,
So they're ready. I just grab a bag and ready to go.
all
And
right.
mine will go in here.
The more you know.
All right, pre-travel day checklist. Vacuum, yes. Did that yesterday. Clean toilet, yes. Made sandwiches, yes. Snack bag, yeah. We've got bars in the thing. Fill water. We've got water in our water bottles. Kaylee snacks, yes. Put away our desk items. We did that. Outside stuff, we did that. Backs up your hats, we did that. Yuma, till next time.
Yeah! Taylor's all packed up and ready to go. Tom and Lori heading north. Hope there's no snow. Wheels are rolling, the tunes are playing. Arizona, it's been fun, but we ain't staying. Heading north for the summer. Getting far from Arizona heat. 'Cause that's a bummer. Rolling through Vegas and all of Nevada. Tom and Lori are Reno bound, heading north for the summer. Boondocking our way north and Taylor we go. Wheels are humming along, let's hope they don't blow. Stopping for fuel and good things to eat. Seeing friends along the way, so wave us down if you want to meet. Heading north for the summer. Getting far from Arizona heat. 'Cause that's a bummer. Rolling through Vegas and all of Nevada. Tom and Lori are Reno bound, heading north for the summer. Winter was fun, spending that desert sun. But now Taylor's done, ready for a summer retreat from all that Arizona heat.
There's Dave.
Sneak in right here.
I don't know. Pulling this.
No. Well, you know what? Maybe I can right here.
I don't think so.
Radio. Thank you.
Tom's gonna go check and see. He thinks we can cut through right here, but I don't think so. I'd much rather go up and around like we normally do. But who knows? We've taken her through some interesting places before. Let's see what the consensus is. Well, we gonna try it?
We're going in this way.
Okay, here we go. There's Dave with his coffee. Coming to watch the show.
Heading north for the summer, far from that Arizona heat. 'Cause that's a bummer. Rolling through Vegas and all of Nevada. Tom and Lori are Reno bound, heading north for the summer. Tom and Lori are Reno bound, heading north for the summer. Tom and Lori are Reno bound, heading north for the summer.
All right, let's see what we can do here. GoPro, stop recording.